Hi everyone, this is Anushka Khare and today I'm going to talk about the quality education in India. So, our country India has always been famous for gaining information since the Vedic period. In ancient times, we followed a system of Gurukula in which anyone who wants to gain knowledge could go to a teacher and request to be taught. If accepted as a student, the teacher would allow him to stay at his place and help him in day to day activities. And this not only created a sense of attachment between the guru and the sishya, but also the guru taught everything to the sishya, from holy scriptures to Sanskrit, from mathematics to metaphysics. And learning was also closely linked with nature and life and not just confined to mesmerizing some information. However, due to the arrival of foreign colonies and wrong policies, India lost its richness, wealth wise as well as knowledge wise. The educational program was restricted to so called modern subjects, and subjects like metaphysics and philosophy were considered unnecessary. The teaching was confined only to the classroom, and the relation between the teacher and the student broke. Now, the main features of Indian education today include a system of obligatory education to all or any children up to the age of 14. Under this age, all children must be given education in any government or private school. If any child is forced to do any other job excluding from being educated, the person concerned in such activities will be treated as per law. After gaining primary education, a child must be given secondary education. For providing this level of education, the central and the state governments are involved through their boards, which are created for this purpose. There are also private boards who conduct the high school or intermediate exams. Now, with the advancements of education in India has seen an excellent development in the field of economy. People are less unemployed, or rather, many of them are self employed. Also, one of the best positive things is that child labor has gone down to an excellent extent, and the annual system is a boon for slow and average learners. The understanding of various subjects and equal weightage to all is a way of giving horizontal information, and there is a combination of logic and ability which gives equal importance to all types of students. The major downside, however, of Indian education is the poor quality of education given. And this can be traced to the poor quality of government schools, because youth in India does not want to have teaching as a career, and because government schools teachers do not possess such a honest image between the common people. And also the opportunities and self growth are also very much restricted as in teaching as a career. And the quality of education also tend to be better in private schools, which are not generally affordable for by the less advanced people in India. Also, there are several political heads which create a great gap between Indian government and the common people. All the money that comes from government budget goes through a number of politicians and government officials. There must be fewer and fewer government officials in between, so that they do not eat the money. And also all of this results in bad quality of food for children under the midday meal scheme, or uniforms and textbooks. And the things which should be done to improve the quality of education in India are there ought to be more emphasis given on adult education, as it is necessary to teach the parents and the guardians first, in order that they become keen towards their wards education. And also the role of private institutions ought to be made restricted, and so that people do not depend too much on them and they do not take as much money they want as a fees. And this is very important. New syllabus ought to be replaced the old ones so that the knowledge provided is the latest. And education loans ought to be made available easily so that even poor students can afford a high level of education. Now the conclusion is that how to improve system of education, and the answer is education. The sole way to improve education is education. Thank you.